What's up, y'all? This is OG Miller. Just out here putting one of the vehicles away, switching things over to the other vehicle. You know, it's time. Been riding around the AC all day. Now it's trying to get out in the hood. You know what I'm saying? The sun going down. It ain't so bright. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna get out here and let it do what it do. So I gotta put the AC away so I don't. That's that 1995 GMC. You know what I'm saying? Yukon. Yeah. With them 2008 rims on it. Oh, that ain't no rust, what you see right there. That ain't no rust right there. That's a little blemish right there, you know what I'm saying? She old. Just need a little paint. But other than that, she's still glossy. She's just old. You know what I'm saying? Just getting a lot of stuff done to her, you know what I'm saying? Just packing it up, trying to get it out, hit on this highway with this air blow. You know what I'm saying? I got a little junk in there, you know what I'm saying? I ain't got all that, no system and nothing like that. She's still doing what it do. Got them master flows on there, you know what I'm saying? They sound wicked. Let you hear that in a second, you know? You know, she's sweet. The glass is good. She got that 35% tint, you know what I'm saying, all through there. She's sweet. I can't complain. Put the little hood on there, you know, all the lights and stuff work, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna let you hear how this thing sound. I think you're gonna like it, you know? So you don't get to catch that more often when it blows over and knocks it over. You know, I know I said master flow before. It ain't master flow, it's magna flow. You know, they look good coming out the bottom back of there. What you think? Y'all let me know. You know what I'm saying? I come back with some interior pictures. I ain't really got nothing really done in it. You know what I'm saying? 350 in there. Changed them headlights out, made it look crispy in the front. You know what I'm saying? It's a nice little truck overall. Everything's there. Put me back.